Yeah. Yeah. Now,
I think if you ask for permission to share the screen, I can do that as well. If you can try it once.
no, one minute. Now it is screen is there, but again, the screen is not. Oh, heat host enabled disabled participant sharing. So what should you permit?
Wait,
You
yes, sir.
permit.
I'll just check the setting.
You change all participant can share screen, something like that. You are able to do it. Hello. I am not able to share that screen. Yeah. Enable. Acha, because I made you host, I cannot do it. Correct.
Sir, you will be able to do it now, sir.
Acha, very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now to very nice. Now to start with Priyal Gada. You yourself start the question number 43. Give your views. Then we will go for one by
Sir,
one.
can you ask someone else to do it because I'm
Yeah.
admitting people
Yeah.
because a
Very
lot of
good.
people
Yeah.
are
People
joining.
are coming. Very good. That's fine. Then we will go for Adityan. Mr. Adityan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Adityan, please read the question. All of you, those who are willing to say, speak for 1 minute on the, is there anybody who has come only today? Is there anybody who has come only today? Please raise your. Are there?
Yes, sir.
If there is somebody who has come today, if the GD will go on like this. That the topic you will have to read the topic, and based on that you have to talk for only 1 minute. And all the 10 people will be talking for 1 minute. At the end of the 10 minutes time, the facilitator will ask you to discuss about this in open for further 10 minutes. Totally, it will take 20 minutes for the entire exercise. So likewise, today, Adityan, are you there with me?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Adityan, please read question number 43. And if you can answer about that, you can answer. Otherwise, pass on to next person. Those who are willing to speak, please raise your hand.
Sir, I have a
Yeah.
doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, in real GD, do they select one by one, like each candidate?
Yeah. First round will be based on the order in which they are permitting you.
Okay.
After that is done, next 10 minutes, they will say, now the topic is thrown open for all of you to discuss. Please carry on. That is what I have been telling. You should not only speak for 1 minute without repetition. And during those 10 minutes, I would request you to avail of opportunity to speak at least 2 times for half a minute each. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now it is the turn of, why don't you read yourself? What is your name?
Sir, Ginny Jain.
Jenny Jain. Please read 43.
You have 2 job offers on hand. One offer is from leading corporate company. The salary package is very attractive. However, the nature of work is such that you really don't have too much to learn or improve your skills. Another offer is from startup company where there is an excellent scope for showcasing your talent.
Can you talk on this, or would you like to take the turn afterwards?
I can try.
Yeah, please speak. Please speak.
So according to me, I will go for a startup company because I believe a startup company has a freedom to share your ideas and thoughts, irrespective of the fact that they have a small team. So our ideas and thoughts are valued more in the startup company, whereas in a corporate company there are a large number of employees. So there will be a separate team for strategic thinking and all. So our ideas won't be valued much over there. So I would go for a startup company.
Okay. Jasmine Neka.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Before discussing about the pros and cons, I should finalize the field which I wish to work. No doubt the decision I'm making now will directly impact the next few years of my life. So I must be well taught and properly planned. Both the options may have innumerable advantages as well as disadvantages. So the only way to end the misery is to find the best fit for me. When talking about the corporate, especially they are tech giants, their rigid hierarchical structure may not allow us to grow or climb the ladder as quickly as we think. Talking about the startup, their operating is a highly flexible environment where the prime focus is on innovation and collaboration, so that I can learn so much through which I can build my career so strong from base. So
Okay.
I would like to go with
Next, Irene. Irene, you should not speak longer. You should not speak more than 1 minute. Understand? Jasmine,
Okay, sir. Okay,
you
sir.
have
Okay,
to
sir.
confine yourself within 1 minute. And within that 1 minute, you have to give all the important points and don't
Okay.
repeat the points. Tell
Okay, sir.
specific point briefly. Jasmine,
Okay, okay, sir.
over. Irene, Tom.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would go for a corporate firm rather than a startup firm. This is because of the financial security and the social stability that a corporate firm provides. And also in the structure, it is very much structured and planned. And this structure and this planned nature of a corporate firm will give me a peace of mind. And also here in a corporate firm, I will get the chance to work with a number of people. I will get chances to work in team, and
What happened? Your internet is gone? Yeah. Next, Mary Matthew.
Good morning,
Mary,
sir.
Sir,
Mary Matthew,
sir,
please come.
can I go after Mary, if possible? So then after that, I'll just keep admitting people.
Yeah,
Can I
yeah.
go
No,
after?
yeah. After Mary. Yeah, after Mary.
Okay.
Mary.
Okay, good morning, sir. In this case, I would prefer to join a startup company because it will give me challenges to face new situations, and it can expand my skills, and it will also allow me to create a direct and noticeable impact in the company. Rather than that, I could meet big investors and industrial influencers, which will help me in building my career in a long term.
Okay, thank you. But of course, you talked only for 25 seconds. Doesn't matter. Priya, you can talk.
Yes, sir. So if I was given a choice between a startup and corporate firm, I would go with startup company because it offers several advantages, which includes potential for rapid growth. Also, it has innovative and creative environments, which will give me the opportunity for personal development as well, and the chance to disrupt established industry with new solution. Also, it has a very flat organizational structure, which allows the employee to have a greater impact and voice in decision making. So I would go with startup company.
Very good. Now you talk for about 40 seconds. Fine. Now, Irene, Tom, is the internet okay for you now? Irene, Tom. Irene, Tom, you can listen to me? No, she is not able to listen. Mary has talked. Then Ritik, you please speak. Ritik Srivastava, are you able to hear me?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Irene
Sir,
just joined right now, so I
Achha,
think it is working for
Irene, is your internet okay now? Irene. Okay, I will go to Irene
Yes,
after. I'll go
sir,
to Irene has come back.
sir,
Yeah,
yes, sir, there was some network issues.
I know. Kerala, it is always like this. Continue. You start from the beginning and speak 1 minute. I will cancel it and start fresh. Please go ahead, Irene.
Okay. Sir, I think I would prefer for a corporate firm rather than a startup firm. This is because of the financial security and the social stability that a corporate firm provides. And also, compared to a startup firm, it is more structured and planned. And this will give me a peace of mind so that I can perform well. And also, in a corporate firm, I can work with a number of people and I will get chances to work in team. And this will enhance my interpersonal skills and working skills. So for these many reasons, I think I will go with a corporate firm rather than a startup firm.
Okay, you talked for 40 seconds. Thank you. Now, Ritika Srivastava.
Yes, sir. So choosing between a leading corporate company with an attractive salary package and a startup with excellent potential for showcasing my talent would be a tough decision. But in this case, I will choose to join a startup, as startup will also allow me to take on multiple roles and responsibilities and will provide me with a chance to broaden my skill set and gain experience in different areas. At a startup, I will have opportunity to see direct impact of my work on company's growth and success. It will help me improve my hard skill, which is necessary in initial years.
Okay, 36 seconds. Now, Divagar.
Yes, sir.
Divagar, yes, please.
Yes, sir. I would prefer startups rather than MNC company. In this world, they're full of survival of the fittest, so we can't survive in this modern era without the learning. Simply for the salary sake and the brand value, I cannot join a MNC. I must need a sufficient knowledge and learning to grow in my career. In a startup company, our thoughts and ideas are valued more than the MNC company. So I like to prefer startups to grow my knowledge, and I can work within all domains to gain my knowledge for my future career.
Okay, 32 seconds. 32 seconds. Next is Nishanti.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. In this case, I will prefer to work in startup because in startup there will be a very small team. So everyone has to do every work and everyone has to help each other to grow. So we start to learn a lot. But in a corporate career, after some years, if I even have to move on to the next company, I will be stagnant in one particular field and I have to choose job in that field only. But while in startup, I can work in different fields and I can learn new things, so that if I have to move on after few years, I will get an opportunity for seeking job in various fields that will personally help me, and also the it will be helpful for company also. We can grow together and we can succeed together, and it will give a job satisfaction.
Okay, 53 seconds. Now, Mukesh. Mukesh,
So, good morning, sir.
good morning.
First of all, I will surely pick up the startup company because I have to showcase my talent and I try to improve my skill day by day. Without learning anything new and doing the same work for years and years, that will show me an incomplete me. It will lead to the boredom life. And I wanted to be participated in the teamwork, and also mainly I could like to lead a team also. Uh, Throughout a day, I have to be engaged by a work that excites me. Uh, and if I work hard, I will also get a decent package from a startup company itself. It's not a big burden for me. With my hard work and with my knowledge, I will try to get the company into a profit zone. And these are all the my points. So I will join the startup company for my creativity.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
52 seconds. Next is Atul Raj.
Okay, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I am Atul Raj. I am coming from Kollam district of Kerala, and I have completed my graduation in BSc Botany. So, in this given scenario, I have to choose between the offer from a startup company and a multinational company. So, if I was to choose between them, I will choose a startup company because it gives me a vast area for inculcating my innovative ideas, and the environment around me will be people with plastic mind, which means the mind can be molded to new ideas, so that which gives us a scope for to showcase our talent, and which will be helpful in our skill development.
Continue.
And which will be advantageous for our career. It also gives us an opportunity to collaborate with the other companies also.
Okay, 55 seconds. Now, next is Aswin Raj. Aswin Raj.
Yes, sir. Good morning, all. My name is Ashil Raj. Between these two companies, as the corporate company is providing a job role, the nature of work is such that you really do not have too much to learn or improve your skills. I will choose startup company because startup companies provide an opportunity will provide an opportunity to skill development in a huge manner. We can develop our skills and our abilities in the startup company more comparing to the corporate company, and the impact of the work we are providing to the startup company will be very huge, as the startup company is like a newborn baby. In the growth of this company we can provide more contributions. Our contributions will be valued well, and also in the startup company there will not be any already set up the network. In a corporate company the network will be huge. In a startup we can contribute while creating a new network, so it will help you.
Stop. 1 minute over. Stop. Next is Suresh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Speak.
In this situation, I will accept offer of corporate company as it provides job security, social status, and financial stability. And also, I will get opportunity to work with industry experts, and it provides me as a MNC functioning of MNC is well structured. So it will give me opportunity to have balanced life, and I can pursue other career options also.
Why it is not coming?
Done.
I'm not able to hear. 1 minute. Yeah.
Shall I repeat, sir?
Hello.
Sir, shall I repeat?
Yeah. You please repeat. Achha, you stopped talking, or what was it? You stopped talking, or why? Now you speak. Now you speak.
Sir, I will accept the offer of corporate. Sir, I will accept the offer of corporate company.
I don't know why there is something wrong. Now let me insert this and read to you. Now, who was speaking now? Suresh, continue.
Yes. Sir, I will accept offer of corporate company, sir, as it provide job security, social status, and financial stability. And also, I will get opportunity to work with industry experts, and the functioning of MNC will be well structured. So I will get chance to have a very balanced life, and I can pursue my other career options.
Thank you. Now I couldn't measure how many minutes how many seconds you talk. Doesn't matter. Sneka.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. If I have a chance to choose the corporate job or the startup means, I definitely choose corporate job as I'm a fresher. So I don't have any job now. So that I choose corporate job for my financial stability. Even though I'm low in skill, I am a quick learner. I just to try to acquire a skill within the very speed of and I will succeed in corporate job, my financial stability, and help my family. For my career growth is very good initiative in the start. Over the period, I put savings for my startup, and definitely I will open and start the startup for my dream. Thank you, sir.
46 seconds. Shivkumar Jundale.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Speak. Don't expect reply from me. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. In this case, I will go with the startup company over the leading corporate company. It will give me excellent opportunities to improve my skills, which will improve my lifelong skills. There will be vast scope in applying new techniques in the startup company. That's all, sir.
25 seconds. Now, next is Hari Krishna. What was your name? One who talked now. What is your name?
Shivkumar Jundale, sir.
Shivkumar Jundale. Correct. Shivkumar. You are from Karnataka?
No, sir, Maharashtra.
Acha. Now it is the turn of Hari Krishnan. Hari Krishnan.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Hari Krishnan. I hope I'm audible. So, in this situation,
speak loudly.
So in this situation, I would definitely go for the startup company. This is mainly because it gives me more opportunity to showcase my talent, as already been mentioned in the question, and it also gives me a wider canvas where I can contribute more to the working of the company. I'm pretty sure that I'll be able to work for multiple issues and multiple problems, which shall in turn improve my career graph in 1 or 2 years and improve my expertise. So I would be able to contribute more to the company, and these are the reason why I would choose startup over the corporate company.
45. Okay. Next, Suruthi.
Yes, sir.
Suruthi, yeah.
Good morning, all. As a fresher, I would like to choose startup company because as we know, initial stage of a startup company gives more opportunity to learn and explore our real skills, and it may help in the career growth to myself, and can also be a part of can also be a great role in this phase of this all the phase of this company, and have great experience in lot of problems, and I choose.
What happened, Suruthi? You're struggling.
I know, sir. I don't know.
You are that girl who appeared for last time Federal Bank, same Suruthi, or some other?
No,
student?
sir. No.
No, but the thing is, you are struggling. You please attend the 8 o'clock class and all that, or 3 o'clock class, whatever time they are conducting. Please attend that also and try to participate, because number of candidates will be less there. I think so.
Yes,
so
sir.
you please try. No problem.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Then
sir.
Siddhana Gowda.
Sir, good morning, sir, and good morning, all. Sir, according to my point of view, sir, I will choose the startup company because it's the best platform to improve our skill and knowledge, sir. In startup company, sir, we learn from the basic level to improve our skill. So in startup company, sir, so less number of employees are there. So in this, we learned you gave the more opportunity to introduce our skills to overcome the successor.
Okay. 32 seconds, doesn't matter. So actually, in this case, in fact, we can do a search here.
Sir, excuse me.
No, over. This topic over. Let me try
Sir,
here.
sir, a small doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you use more than one time startup as like a startup company, sir?
You have to discreetly use it. You can't be talking every now and then. Say chat startup. You see that it doesn't give boredom. That's what it is. I didn't find any problem in your talking. That's okay.
Yes, sir.
In the last, yeah. Now what I'm going to do, I will try to find out from our chat GPT, choosing job in startup or corporates. I am asking our, let us see what it is telling us. Yeah, 1 minute. I have to paste this. 1 minute. Chat GPT download. Chat GPT download. So whatever link I have given you, I am posting in the same link. Yeah, I'm posting that in that one link. So now what we can do is that what we can do is stop sharing, again sharing chat GPT. Now Yes, just yeah. Now, yeah, Priyal, why don't you read this now? The decision to choose. Yeah. Are you
Yeah.
saying? Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm reading. The decision to choose a job in a startup or a corporate environment depends on various factors, including your career goals, personal preferences, risk tolerance, and the specific opportunities each type of organization offers. Here are some points to consider
No, it's
when
because
making this
your
decision.
clothes are in it.
Yes. Yeah. Startup.
Startup, the first point is learning and impact. Startups often offer a steep learning curve and the chance to work on a wide range of tasks. Due to the smaller team size, your contributions can have a more direct impact on the company's success. Second is innovation and creativity. Startups are typically more agile and open to innovative ideas. If you're passionate about creating something new and driving change, a startup might provide a more dynamic environment. Third is ownership and responsibility. Startup employees usually wear multiple hats and have more ownership over their projects. This can lead to a greater sense of responsibility and personal growth. Fourth is risks. Startups inherently carry more risk as they have uncertain futures and higher chances of failure. Job stability and financial security might be more volatile in a startup environment. Work culture. Startups often have a more relaxed and informal work culture, which can be appealing if you prefer a less hierarchical and more collaborative atmosphere.
Very good. Next, I will ask somebody else to speak. Who was good in reading? Who was good in reading? Suresh. Suresh, are you there? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please read corporates.
Stability. Established corporations offer more stability to their size and market presence. They are all less likely to close down suddenly compared to startups. Resources. Larger companies generally have more resources, including funding, technology, and established processes. This can lead to more structured work environment. Career growth. Corporations typically have different career paths and advancements opportunities. You might have a clearer trajectory for promotions and skill development. Benefits. Larger companies often provide better benefit packages, including healthcare, retirement plans, and other perks. Specialization. In larger corporations, roles tend to be more specialized, which might be appealing if you are looking to focus on a specific skill set.
Okay, next will be Aswin Raj. Aswin Raj, you are there? Aswin Raj, not there. Hello.
Hello.
Please read Aswin Raj. Factors to consider.
Personal goals. Consider what you want to achieve in your career. Are you looking for rapid learning and growth, or are you prioritizing stability and long-term opportunities? Risk tolerance. Evaluate your risk tolerance. Startups can offer great rewards, but they also come with higher risk levels. Skill and preference. Assess your skills and what kind of work environment aligns better with your strength and preferences. Passion. Consider your passion and industry you are interested in. Some industries might be dominated by startups while others are more corporate oriented. Networking. Consider the networking opportunities each option provides. Startup might offer more direct exposure to leadership while corporates could provide a wider network. Ultimately, there is no size fits all answer. It is
There is
essential
no one size fits all answer.
Okay, sir. It is essential to weigh these factors against your individual goals and circumstances. Some people thrive in dynamic environment of a startup, while others prefer the stability and structure of a corporate setting. You might also find that your career journey involves experience in both type of organizations.
Thank you. Now, what is the degree you studied, Hari Krishnan? Hari Krishnan. What is the degree you? Huh?
Sir, I'm a postgraduate in economics, sir.
Why are you not reading with confidence? Huh? See, the way you speak, you are from which state? Hare Krishna.
Sir, I am from Kerala, sir. So it
Kerala.
wasn't me who read now, sir.
Pardon?
It wasn't me who read now.
Who read now? Suresh. No. Who was reading now, just now?
Ashwin.
Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. Ashwin. What is the degree you have studied, Ashwin?
So MBA.
MBA. Oh God.
Yeah.
For an MBA, our expectation is quite high. The tone with which you are reading was not that very appealing. Doesn't matter. No issues.
Okay.
Now we will go into stopping sharing of this. And now we will go for another one. This one. This one, share screen. Now we should go for this one. Here, no? Correct. 44. Next is 44. Who is
Sir,
going
we're
to...
not able to see the screen.
Yeah. Mistake. I am not sharing it properly. Now we are seeing it. Please
Yes,
see.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the next person to read will be, we went to Hare Krishna, Siddhananda, now Adityan. I started initially with Adityan. Adityan, internet was not all right. Then we came back. Adityan, are you there now?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm here, sir.
You are from which state, Adityan?
Sir, I'm from Kerala, sir.
Why there is no charm, interest, involvement, commitment, dedication, happiness in your voice?
Sir, like I'm having a ill thoughts on the morning. That's why, sir.
It doesn't
Nothing
matter.
else.
Please read. 44, read.
Okay, sir. You are the manager of Bank ABC. Well, a housing loan has been sanctioned to your best friend. Your friend was prompt in repaying the loan amount in the initial years, but later meets with an serious accident and became bedridden, which resulted in losing his job. After the accident, even
Losing.
after
It is not losing, losing.
okay, sir. Okay.
Mm.
Even after so many notices, he didn't remit the EMI amount for the last 6 months. You are getting huge pressure from the management to recover the due amount by selling his property. Since your friend is bedridden and convincing the management for more time is not possible, how will you handle this situation?
Very good. 1 minute. Before that, I would like to conclude about the previous question. See, I gave you various options as shown by ChatGPT. In the end, in our real GD, what you are going to do is either choose corporate or startups and talk the points in favor of that in that 1 minute. Later on, when you go for the open 10 minutes discussion, there I suggest you participate twice, trying to highlight about your preference or telling what is the disadvantage in the other preference. That is how I want you to speak at least 2 times. But don't try to dominate the show for talking for too much length of a time, that is to be avoided. You should talk only for a reasonable time, half a minute, 45 seconds length. Now, would you like to talk about this, Adityan, now? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mm.
So if I am in this situation, I'll be going to pursue him to pay the loan. Like, even if he is my best friend, like I cannot be with saying he's my friend. So I'm going to negotiate the management to have some recognitions, and I'll be forcing him to pay the loan as this is my professional and this is my work to be done, sir. So I'll go for like okay. So I'll be suggesting him to pay the loan as far as possible, even if he's in a situation like he should be finding some or the other way to pay the loan, sir.
Otherwise, what will you do?
So I'll be suggesting for that what to say, with like
You are
we have all.
manager. You are manager. You are manager. Okay, I'll
Okay,
come to you. I'll come to you later after Adityan. 1 minute. Now, before I forget, let me add one question. I don't know whether this question is here or not. Let me add that. I came across one more question. The question is working from that they may not ask now. Working from home versus working in office. So this, I think they asked in one of the GDs in Federal Bank. And another point I wanted to highlight, boys, girls, there is one Gayatri who was so generous enough to share the questions link to participants in the other group, free group. So I just happened to go through that site today, that Telegram page today. I could notice that, and I made it the hereafter nobody will be able to post any message therein. So that is the instruction I have given therein. So that is one. Number two, see, even here, the thing is sharing everything, whatever people have been telling only I am writing, but that need not be told to others straight away. So that is the idea. And also kindly do not share the videos I am giving. All these videos are meant only for you people. Possibly I may release it open after the GD tests are over. This time I am not releasing anything outside. For the next year, people, they may get all these videos. They can see it. So kindly don't share with others. If you want, you talk to them over phone, tell whatever ideas you want to tell them, that is okay. Don't share the content as it is. Now, Mr. HK, please talk. I know the problem is there will be a tendency on our part to not to say no. That is why I have requested in our Telegram group, please withdraw from that group. You can come out of that group so that you don't face problem. But now that situation is not there because you can't post. After that only this idea came to my mind. I made it that there will not be any post by members. Now HK, please speak on this point.
Sir, good morning, sir. My name is Harish. Sir, based on my opinion, I would.
I know this is a very tough topic because none of you are confident about having worked in a bank branch or anything like that. And if you have watched the video, I think this topic has been discussed in more than 5 or 6 videos. I don't know in which videos. So if you have watched only, you can speak well. Now, next, Shama, can you speak?
Yes, sir.
Please tell.
So in this situation, as a manager of ABC Bank, I will follow the rules of the bank, sir. I will contact.
Super. It's a good point. See,
I will contact.
If you tell like that, you'll be rated high. Yeah, you best say I will go with the rules of the bank and talk in favor of the bank, work in favor of the bank. Good.
Yes,
continue.
sir. Yes, sir. I will follow the rules of the bank, even though he is my best friend. Bank cannot take actions without noticing. It should be noticed when he stopped paying the loan 3 months. After 3 months, they also give the notice. They also give the legal notices to that person. If he can't pay the loan, if he can't choose another way to pay the loan, there is no other option to bank to auction his property. I will clearly explain him that this is not a illegal action to us. It is important to do like this only. We don't have any other option also.
Sufficient.
Don't
be repeating the same point. It is in Tamil we always say solra point திரும்ப repeat பண்ணக்கூடாது. ఎలాగ చెప్పని తెలీదు. తెలుగులో ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే చెప్పిన పాయింట్ కు ఎందుకు బారి రిపీట్ చేస్తుంటారు. వెరీ గుడ్. నౌ మిస్టర్ జేకబ్, జోమీ జేకబ్. మిస్టర్ ఆర్ మిస్? జోమీ జేకబ్.
Mister.
Mister or Miss?
Mr. Sir, Mr. Jomi Jacob.
Tell me, Jomi Jacob.
Okay, sir.
Jomi का मतलब क्या है?
Jomi, there is no special meaning of that name.
There must be some god or something like that. No? Otherwise, people don't keep that name. Please ask your mummy, daddy, they will tell you. Continue.
Yes, sir,
Jacob.
of course. Yes, sir.
Jacob. People call you Jomi or Jacob?
Actually, they call with my surname Jacob.
Jacob. Okay, Jacob. Jacob is nice. Come on, speak.
Okay, sir. If I am the manager of the ABC bank, since my friend is bedridden, I'll suggest him immediately to pay the loan, because bank has its own rules, policies, and procedure. If there is any single possibility to remit the amount, I'll surely go for that.
Arpita. Next, Arpita.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Speak.
Good morning. Good morning, all. It is a very difficult situation for me. And that in one side, it is my friend, and the other side, it is my own bank. So I will go with the policies of the bank. First, I will send him an official letter, and I will try to contact him and understand his situation. The bank is not mine, and I'm not the person who's giving him money. So it's my responsibility. It's just my responsibility to collect back the money for the bank. So I will do the procedure for that. I will ask him to find some other source of money so that he can repay the loan, or I will suggest him some jobs which he can do, or give some more time by asking higher authorities so that he can manage or arrange some more money. And also, if I can help him by paying some, like giving some money or something, I will do that. I will collect my friends together so that I can help him. Also, I will try to avail him some government policies for bedridden people so that it may help him to sort it out.
So you talked very nicely in the first half. The last portion, you committed a mistake. Bank manager cannot be in a position to give money for all those people who are defaulting. Are you taking money from others that you have a lot of money to pay? Tell me. No.
Yes, sir.
So that answer is wrong. Don't bring that point. Maximum what you said is right. That is, I will request some of the friends known to me to help him. But you can't be giving money from your pocket. Like a doctor cannot take the disease of all the patients on him. Can he?
No, sir.
So that is the only mistake you did. Otherwise, your deliberation was very good in that you made it a point. It is a situation between a bank and my friendship. I give preference for my bank. So that is the point you have to stress here, and you made it nicely. Arpita. Good. Alina.
Sir, excuse me.
Yeah.
Sir, why can't we add this point, like if we want to help our best friend on monetary basis at the personal level?
No, you can't. See, a branch manager is not supposed to, you have to empathize for doing the day-to-day routine officially, not personally. The question has been asked specifically for that purpose. Are you able to differentiate between personal relationship from official relationship? That is why this question has been asked. You understand? Like this, there will be one more question somewhere else that about friends being helped and all that. Friendship is different from office situation. So it is wrong. It is not correct.
Yes, sir, but
not correct.
But sir, after office hour, I have certain personal life also, and that best friend might help me in past situations like this.
Okay,
so
that is if that person had helped you earlier, so maybe only because of that you are given this loan with a false view, false intention.
Sir, is it correct to ask?
No. You see how it can be termed that way. Even I have done this mistake while working in an organization. And now I am feeling what I did at that time was not correct. It is not right. So that is why in earlier days, banks used to say, no relatives should be working in the same branch, same bank and also same branch. Nowadays, automatically it happens both husband and wife are working in the same bank, but of course they will work in different branches. So bank relationship ideas should not be linked to banking activities at any cost. Like what happened in the case of ICICI case, where because of the friendship with the Videocon, those people, they started giving money.
Yes, sir.
Later on, they started expecting money from that person, Videocon person. They made huge money. The account itself has become bad. And in fact, it was done by a person, no, not less than, say, our Chanda Kochar, who was considered once a role model for all women of India. At one time, she was considered as a role model for all the people working in the organizations. So don't bring relationship with this. The only thing, your idea and all correct, but not for group discussion situations. You must be, yeah.
So what points we can add to console our friend in this particular given situation?
No, consoling the friend. You have been talking to him for last 6 months, asking him to pay. He has not been able to repay. You will only persuade him to go and talk, find out some other sources, maybe from his relatives or from his friends. Beyond that, you can't be doing anything more. You will have to tell him that he may have maximum 1 month time, and after which bank has to take steps for recovery of the money under SARFAESI Act. That and all you may not know, but simply say after that bank will proceed for recovery of the money. So that is the only
Sir,
option.
actually,
Yeah.
the thing is, he's your best friend, so he should know that your career is at stake. So right now, he got 6 months of time. So I think obviously you cannot go against the bank's rules.
Yeah. And now if you are
Your career at stake.
going to ask the bank to give some more time, they will not give, because as per bank's rules, if a loan account has not been repaid for 90 days itself, it becomes NPA, non-performing asset. And once an account becomes a non-performing asset, bank has to provide funds for this, debit their expenditure this year. Not only that, bank cannot take any of the interest from that loan to its income account. So much loss will happen. So it is our, already it is NPA. No more concessions. The only option is telling clearly, I will go with the directions of the bank to take measures and for recovery of the dues by issuing legal notice, by bringing the property to sale. And however, before this to be initiated, if I can help him through some of his friends and relatives to repay, maybe that can be accepted. But that should be within a reasonable time of say 10 or 15 days, something like that. You can say like that and close this chapter. Yeah.
Sir, is it possible to renew the loan?
No. It is not possible because he is not employed now. I don't know whether he is employed now. He has lost his job also. So what is the fun in renewing for a person who has lost his job? What is the scope for him to repay the loan? Understand?
Oh, okay, sir.
So there is no point
Sir,
in
can
renewing.
he put his...
Sir, is it possible that I can add that he's my friend and I am also a manager of a bank, so I can ask the board members of the bank to provide some extra time for
that you can tell. That you can tell. But here, I think in the question they have given, convincing the management for more time not possible. They have told like this here. You saw that. But however, in GD situations, because we have to speak for 1 minute, we can try to speak out that point also. There is nothing wrong.
So does it make it relevant? No, sir. Does it make?
Yeah, it's a relevant. It's a relevant point that you can tell. I may try to find out the management whether they can give some more time. But assuming you give him some more time also, from where is he going to get the money? Tell me. Hello.
Sir, can I advise him
Yes,
to
sir.
put his property on collateral?
He has already given the property on collateral. He has already given the property without collateral. Bank will not give loan. He has given collateral, and that collateral has to be brought to sale now. There is no other option. There is no
Sir,
other option. Yeah.
sir, can it possible to sell the property by which own way, sir, instead of management will selling the property? If management will selling the property is a demand, it's a
Yeah. That is fine. That is very fine. You can tell him, sir, bank is going to bring the property to sale. Why don't you try to find a good buyer for a better price? You can tell him. That is correct.
If management goes to selling the properties, automatically his price will be very low, sir, compared to we own sales.
Yeah, that's good. It can be done that way. That's a nice point. That's a nice point.
Sir, can I mention Surface Act in this?
But that and all, if you know, if you are a commerce student, you can speak about it. Yeah, Surface Act is an act under which, you know, where an account, say, where account has become NPA and for which immovable property has been offered as security, we can bring that property to sale without going to the court. Otherwise, in the usual process is, when a bank gives loan, money is not repaid. It is not easy for bank to recover the money. They will have to file a suit in a court of law. The court has to pass a decree, and that decree has to be executed by the bank by bringing the property to sale. All this will take minimum 6, 7, 8, 9 years, more than that. So, but now from 2012, the act has come, according to which financial institutions, non-banking finance companies and also banks, they can bring the property that has been offered as security to sale under Surface Act. They have to issue a notice giving him 60 days time. If within 60 days he is not going to repay or reply properly, then you can take possession of the property. And after taking possession of the property, you have to issue notice in newspapers and also through net, and then arrange the property to be brought for sale and recover the money out of the sale proceeds. If you are left with some surplus, you can give it back to him. Do you get this point? This is how this has to be. But of course, all that need not be discussed in GD. In GD, you will say, as a branch manager, my responsibility is to see that accounts are recovered in time. But in this case, the account has already become NPA. So I will be going as per the directions of the management for bringing the property to sale. That's all. Simply stop with that. There's nothing wrong. Or if you want, like that girl, you can stress that my friendship with him will have no bearing on my decision in regard to this account. It is like any other account where a person is not related to you, not a friend of yours also. Okay, that is how you have to tell this point. So very good. Tomorrow we will take up question number 45 and 46. Question number 45 and 46 we will take up tomorrow.
Sir.
And yeah, tell me.
Sir, if my friend has an insurance plan, can we claim the insurance and
No. Insurance can be claimed only if the borrower dies.
No, health insurance and all.
Health insurance also. Health insurance will not be paying for the bank dues.
Sir, he has met with an accident, no? So he will be having an insurance.
If he is getting money, then you can ask him to pay the money from and out of that. That is possible. But the court cases settling the dues will take years, 5 years, 4 years, not 1 or 2 years. Oh, Baba, they won't give it immediately. Understand?
Sir, one more thing. Can we arrange some money, like not the full amount, but a partial amount, and give it to the bank and ask for an extension?
Yeah, bank may agree for giving time, provided he pays all the dues up to date. 6 months dues, if he clears immediately, no problem. But from where you will get that 6 months money?
Sir, from friends, we can arrange from friends. And
But if a manager is going to take that much keen interest for each and every account, it is going to be a problem. You can't be running after friends of your friends for recovery of the dues of the bank. I don't know. If you want to tell that as a reason, you tell, nothing wrong. But as a branch manager who has been in bank for over 33 or 32
Sir?
years, I am of this view. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt about why don't we approach the person who signed for the authority?
No, here in this case, he has only borrowed. He would have signed, he only would have signed, and probably his wife would have signed. The other option is if his wife is working, you can ask her to repay. But that is not, you can ask her to repay. That can be asked. That can be asked. Yeah, but yeah.
Sir, if you want to take the money from the health insurance, first we have to go for a case, right? No, sir.
No,
File a case.
No. Health insurance case need not be filed. Claim has to be put up. See,
Sir, instead of
bank normally what they do when they are giving nowadays, many of the IT employees, they are drawing 1 lakh salary. They are taking loan of 1 crore or I don't know, whatever is allowable as per law. They'll take the loan. Probably it may be 60 times your total pay or take home pay, something like that. That only they will give. And after giving that money, banks also go for advising them to take an insurance covering, making one-time premium. That policy will give the insurance company obligation to repay the money fully to the bank in case the borrower dies. In case the please close the mic. Somebody is doing bathroom work by keeping the mic on. Please close the mic. Yeah. So this is what it is. That is, the insurance company will pay only if the borrower dies. Yes, please.
Sir, after he has paid the amount for 6 months, can we ask authorities to restructure his loan or reduce the monthly EMI?
No. They won't. They will not accept in this case because he is not employed. If he is repaying, okay, they will wait for another 1 month, 2 months, 3 months like that. That can be done. That can be done.
I have a doubt from the question.
Sir,
Is that
can I ask
the question didn't provide anything about the client's financial situations? It only said he is bedridden and he lost his job. What if he come from a rich family and have so many properties and all of that? So if he is not willing to pay the money and playing a mockery on the bank, I can follow the rules of the bank and forcefully take money from him. Can I?
Yeah. That is correct. That is correct. That is correct.
So one doubt from previous topic also, in that people were mentioning many a times that as a fresher I will opt the startup and all, but however I was not able to see any kind of like clue there.
Your startup
things
is
were written that
startup will be ideal because one, startups might have been started by a person known to you and who has got interest in you, you have got interest in him, and possibly you may be able to contribute capital if you have something, and you may be able to get more importance. But this is theoretical. Practically, nobody will go and join for a job which gives lesser money. Suppose you get some small finance bank job now as a manager, are you going to join now? Because their total pay will be less than the pay of a clerk in a bank. Understand?
Yes, sir, but in question it was never mentioned that you are a fresher.
Pardon?
I don't know why. I mean, but in question it was never mentioned that the person is a fresher who is going to apply for both the cases. I don't know why people were adding this line.
You have 2 job offers. That means it refers to you only. You are a fresher.
Sir, hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, good morning. Sir, actually, I want to speak on the 44 number topic, that
Please
is
speak. Please
the
speak.
repayment of.
Speak.
Yeah.
Speak.
So I would like to mention one point, that is checking the CIBI score for the credit analysis is also really very important
That is done.
to
That
understand his
done.
credit
That
position.
that is done at the stage of sanctioning. Now his CIBIL score will be low because he has got
Yes, yes.
he has got overdue. Its CIBIL score will automatically be low. Okay, thank you so much.
So
Sir, one doubt.
and
Thank
then
you.
Sir, I have a doubt
and
on
then
Hello,
we
sir.
have to actually
Sir.
understand.
No,
Hello?
actually don't strain your mind too much on these points. You go by whatever points I'm telling you. They have been helping hundreds of candidates come out successful in GD. Just mug up that, go and vomit it and come. That's all. No problem. But speak in good English. But majority of us, the problem is we are not able to speak in English. That's the problem. That difficulty you try to overcome by practice. Thank you.
Sir, can you give the lot
Sir,
of
on question
questions
number
for the
43, can we
rest of
make
the
it
Pardon?
balance situation?
Pardon?
Sir,
What do
can
you
you give the list of questions which you will be discussing throughout the week so that we can prepare the rest of the questions by ourselves?
Yeah, you can prepare for all the 46 questions. No problem.
Sir, before ending the meeting, sir, can you show the 9th and the 10th question so that people coming for 8 a.m. class can refer to that?
It is there with them. All the questions are there with them. They can go through that. Are they children? No. Priya, don't support them. You don't support them. You are supporting like a branch manager supporting his friend. No, it is all given in it's given in the paper where everybody has got the copy, and some people have shared the copy to others also. No problem. Thank you so much. We will meet tomorrow. I mean, again, if some of you, if you want to come, you can come for 8 o'clock class, provided you
8
come
o'clock.
early. 8 p.m. class for banking. And maybe after 2 or 3 days, I should think about restructuring the class like into 40 minutes instead of 1 hour, so that I can have 4 batches. Maybe if necessary, I may have to do that also. You know, there is not much of a time, you know, that is the reason. Because nearly 415 people have joined so far. So that is the
Sir, one last announcement. We'll be having the class at 8 a.m. So if interested, you guys can join. And Ritik has already sent the link. So you guys can access it and join.
Please.
Whoever is interested.
No, please, I request you to join, because these questions 9 and 10, I will not be asking, I will not be covering in my classes. Similarly, next topic for 10th August for daytime discussion is 19 and 20. 19 and 20. You can put that, Priya, please put it in our group. 19, 20 is the topic for daytime discussions for all the 3 groups. All the 3 groups. That is why
for
I'm
tomorrow, right?
For tomorrow, and for tomorrow, correct. For tomorrow, for our class, I have told 45, 46.
45, 46. Okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir. I'll end the meeting, sir.
Yeah, now it is over. Now it's over.
Okay. I'll end it.
Acha, you end it. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.